Well,
What was that?
that was the bolt breaking off.
Oh no, what?
On the mount. Well, that sucks.
Oh, yeah. How did it like snap off inside?
Yeah.
Oh, you're...
You can take a look at it if you want.
No, I believe it. Because the only option is to weld it.
That bottom one, yeah.
Still isn't going to be easy to figure out.
Well,
It's just for this mount, right?
yeah.
How many other fasteners on it?
There's only one other one that actually supports it, but it's probably enough. Wow, that was really satisfying.
That's right.
Alright, we got the new RPM knot muffler installed. We got the coolant line cut, and we're going to be running it to these little adapters I got, using this line that Tyler reminded me that I had. And it's about the perfect length for this.
How's that?
Route it kind of behind you, but yeah.
No! Bite him, Ollie! Bite him, Ollie! Sick him! He's just funny sometimes.
Alright, we got the hoses ran. It actually turned out pretty good. We just reused some of the factory lines. Like this one went right to this adapter. Cut this, or we didn't cut this one, but we took the long aluminum piping and it kind of perfectly goes there. Got a couple 90s for that. Yeah, should clean up pretty nicely. I'm just gonna pour a little bit and then we'll see what happens.
Pour it all in.
Okay.
Come back. You're spilling on the floor, sir?
Am I? Why is it leaking?
What's leaking? It's not leaking. Don't even say that word.
I don't think it is, to be honest.
Don't say it. Oh my god, it's leaking.
It's holding quite a bit of coolant though.
Well, you don't want it to be empty. Or, not. You want an abundance of coolant still. Muy bien, muy bien.
Okay, we got the fans wired in and we did another test. It's cooling it really nicely. There's all the connections there and there. It's coming together, guys. We just got a few organization bits to finish up. Put the front clip on and the zip tie things where they need to be zip tied. Obviously clean it all off. But it's coming together. It's looking pretty cool. Especially the front end. Tyler's finishing up the fender brackets. They're looking pretty good. Hashtag not a welder. And I'm working on cleaning up the wiring for the fans. Ow. Don't hurt yourself. Got the mounts built for the fenders, looking pretty good. Got the coolant lines a little bit more organized there and there. Still gotta secure this one a little bit, but should be good enough for a test ride hopefully soon. What do you think?
Test brake.
Test brake. See if this thing just flies off immediately when I hit Mach Jesus on the highway.
Martin's about a mile down the road and I can still hear him. This new exhaust is not neighbor friendly. I feel like I heard it shut off. Oh no, here he comes. Sounds like he's doing about mock Jesus.
Doors, it's gonna have to go over that.
Can you tilt it?
Well guys, I officially have a sponsor, Scribbs Auto Works. It's an auto repair shop in Grand Ledge, Michigan, local business. It's awesome that they're supporting this sort of racing. Brian, the guy who owns the shop, he also does some racing. He's building a pretty sweet Maverick car. But yeah, he decided to sponsor me and got his stickers on my machine, and we finally got the rear radiator all squared away. You guys obviously saw that at Tyler's place and me doing some pulls on it. Just making sure she's dialed. And I tell you what, I ripped it pretty hard up and down the road for a little while, and she didn't get barely warm. I mean, she got warm, but nowhere near where I was at before. So it's pretty sweet, pretty cool to have this opportunity. We also slammed the machine. It's like, it's so low to the ground now. So my limiting factor now is going to be these shocks, these Showas, because they're not too great. They're not exactly tuned for this, so that'll be the next one of the next major upgrades. And we will be going out with this rig soon. Thank you guys for watching the video. Probably a shorter one, but there should be some more content coming soon for trail riding, and then maybe some other overlanding content with the Nissan.